I'm Haru. I just got out of the bathroom and I think I've got some amazing tips about shaving your body for you. But first I need to get dressed. So wait here please and I'll be back in a minute. The first thing you need to know is that you should definitely exfoliate before shaving. But why is exfoliation so important? Exfoliating removes dirt and dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. And it also lifts up the hair, which makes it easier to cut them. It's important to use the right exfoliation product for your skin type. I've got 3 different products here I'm gonna show you. The first one is this exfoliation cream from the Body Shop, which is made for sensitive and dry skin. It's very soft and gentle on the skin, and the honey in it prevents the skin from out drying and from irritations. The second product I'll show you is this one from Moon with rosemary and lemon. I love using this product on hot summer days because the lemon reduces the sweating and it's totally refreshing. The third exfoliation cream is my go-to exfoliation cream I use like nearly every day. It's made with sea salt and grapeseed oil. And sea salt is very healthy for your skin because of the vitamins and minerals in it. Now let's move on to the right shaving products themselves. I have 2 products I can highly recommend. The first one is this rose shaving cream. And I love using this shaving cream on my whole body because it has a very nice scent. And you only need a little amount of it for the whole body. And I feel like the razor glides on it very soft and easily. The second product is this shaving oil. I highly recommend using shaving oil in your private parts and your bikini zone because that's an area that's very sensitive, and shaving oil prevents your skin from out drying and makes the skin soft before shaving and protects it from any damage. I recommend using a body wash like this one after shaving because it soothes your skin and helps preventing it from being irritated. I love using this one with grapeseed oil, but you can use whatever you like. When it comes to shaving, it's very important to use the right razors for your skin type too. I have 2 different razors for different parts of my body. This one is the one for the bikini zone, and this one is the one for the rest of my body. That's very important because it's more hygienic like this. You know, you shouldn't mix up all the parts of the body with the same razor. That's it for now. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further information for us about shaving, please share them in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye!